I've made a few changes in the machine. As you can see, it's now in a frame somewhat similar to the Pegasus machine. And it's rigid as heck. I put the panels, or I'm going to put the panels on the sides. It's printing quite well. That's a test print to replace this display cabinet, because it was made to mount on the rail back here before I put the frame on it. So I'm not sure where I'm going to put that. I may put that in here in the frame, or might even put it like in here out of the way of the bed mechanisms so the bed will clear. But as you can see, that's about as far forward as the thing would go. If I put it up just a couple inches, it would be at a good height for your hand to adjust the buttons and display not be in the way, and the print won't hit anything. But this is the largest print I've printed with it, and it's printing quite well. Anyway, that's update for today.